Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how you can be able to make this word-by-word text effect in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, go to Effects. From here, we need to search for Text plus Title, and then bring it into our timeline. Now, from the Inspector tab, we can modify the various text parameters like text, font, size, and color from here. Now, after completion of these text modifications, right-click inside this text box. Now, from here we can access a few new options to choose from. From here, we will select this follower. Now, click on this small fusion icon, which we can find inside this text plus title. Now it will redirect it to the fusion page. From here, go to the Tools tab, then change the Layout tab, choose Type as text box. Now go to the Modifiers tab, and then under the Transform tab, change the transform to words. Now move the playhead few frames forward in timeline, and then go to the size parameter. Now make a keyframe on the X and Y parameter, and now move the playhead to the very first frame in timeline, and now again make a keyframe on the X and Y parameter, and then change both the values to 0. Now go to the Timing tab, and from here under the Delay, we can adjust the delay between each word that appears. From here, experiment with the different values, and choose the one that suits your video. After that, go to Spline tab. From here we're going to check all these parameters. Now click on this Zoom to Fit button, select all these keyframes, like these, and now right click inside this Spline tab, then go to Ease. From here we're going to choose the Out Cubic option. By selecting this option we can be able to get a bounce effect, something like this. And now this is the last step. Go back to the Tools tab, and then under the Settings tab, check Motion Blur, and then adjust the quality as per your requirement. If you found this video useful, then please like and subscribe. Happy editing!